what's up? Welcome to my channel. If you want to see my thoughts and reviews on this Are We Done Yet fall collection from Colourpop, just keep on watching. And I'm super excited because fall is my favorite season, so let's just get right into it. In this collection, I only went ahead and got what called out to me. I'm really not into blushes, so that's why I didn't get any blushes. But there is 5 blushes that came out and they do retail for $11. So I did went ahead and picked up this bundle right here, and it's called Sugar We're Going, and they come with Are We Done and Me V the World. Super pretty, and this is how the packaging looks. I love Colourpop's packaging. They can never go wrong. They amaze me all the time. Here are swatches of the colors that I got. This one right here on this side is Are We Done, which I have right now on my lips. And this one is Me V the World. That set does go for $11, and I believe individually they go for $7. Next up, we have the eyeshadow palette, of course, which is super cute. It just says whatever in the front. We have some cheetah print going on. As well, in the back of the case, it has the names. We opened it up and it has a rose print on here. It also says whatever, Colourpop down here, and it also has the names on the back. So this eyeshadow palette does consist of 12 eyeshadows, and it does have a super shock shadow, pressed powders, and a pressed glitter in there as well. These colors are gorgeous. I love them, and I'll go ahead and insert a clip of swatches in here somewhere. And last, I did pick up the BFF bundle, and this retails for $18. I'm not sure if I mentioned it, but the eyeshadow palette does retail for $18 as well. And this BFF bundle consists of the volumizing mascara, cream gel color, and a cream gel liner. And I did go ahead and swatch them and show you guys more about them in the tutorial. So we're gonna be going in with the new Colourpop's Whatever palette, and this is how the packaging looks. It's super cute. Go ahead and prime my eyelids with the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 3. I'm just gonna start patting that in. I want a fluffy brush. Awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the shade Copycat. So they do have a lot of fallout, which I don't mind. Whoa, they're pretty pigmented. So it's also easy to blend. Now I'm gonna be going in with the shade Maybe Later, which is this one right here. I'm just gonna be placing that on my outer corner. I'm just gonna be building that color up. Now I'm gonna be going in with the shade Bad Guy. And I'm also gonna focus that on my outer edge. And then blend a little bit towards it. That's a pretty color. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Copycat and use that to blend everything together. Also gonna go in with Mrs. Brightside, and I'm gonna use that just on the outer edge as well to intensify that previous color we had. And I'm just gonna pack this just right here. This is such a pretty color. By far, I think this is my favorite color from the palette. And then with Bad Guy, I'm just gonna blend that in together here. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Tardy. I believe this is the Super Shock Shadow. Wow. Yeah, it's best to use it with your finger. Go ahead and go in with this shade Duh, and that is the pressed glitter. I'm just gonna put a little bit. Whoa, look at that. Some glitter, and then I'm just gonna press it here. Wow, just press that here to blend those edges together. So far I love how that's coming out. From the collection, this is what I was most excited about, just because I love like this maroon color. So here's what it comes with. So here's the mascara, here's the liner, and here's the cream gel. I'll give you guys like a little. Wow. So here's a swatch of the gel. Swatch. And here's the liner. Mine broke. Okay guys, so I guess you have to be very careful. There's the liner. And here's the mascara. I'm like bummed now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some liner into this look. I'm not gonna take it all the way, I'm just gonna stop it here. But that is a pretty color. It's not as creamy, but it is a pretty color. Alright beauties, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my base and my lashes off camera. I'll be right back with you guys and finish this look. Alright, so I'm back. I already did my full face. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lower lash line now, and I'm gonna go in with Miss Brightside down here. And then I'm gonna get a little bit of Copycat and just blend that. And we're gonna go in with the gel liner, and it's called Joyride. But yeah, the gel liner is pigmented and it does go on smooth. Alright, so the gel liner did go on really smooth and really pigmented. So far I like. And I'm gonna be using the mascara, and this is called Wine O'Clock. How cute. Let's see if you could even, I don't think you can see the color down there. No, you were not able to really tell with that. I'm gonna be going in with Are We Done? I really don't like the applicator on these. I don't know, it makes it hard for me to work with, but I love how it smells. I'm gonna go ahead and pop some of that Super Shock Shadow Tardy into my inner corner, just a little bit. And then into my brow bone. Okay beauty, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys my final thoughts on these products. And first up we have the eyeshadow palette. I really love the colors. I love the pigmentation on these colors, and they blend like butter. So for the palette, if you guys are looking to get it, I would recommend you guys to get this. The glosses, I really like them. They do go on pretty. The only thing that I would say about them, I do not like the applicator on this. It's just very hard to work with. But the color is pretty on both of them. And then moving on to the BFF bundle palette, this was what I was mostly excited for, and I did like the cream gel liner. It is pigmented, and I also really did love this liner. It is very pigmented and it just goes on like butter. The only thing about the bundle, I don't know, I really didn't have too much love for this. I don't think it showed up really. So I would say I would pass on this. So that's it for today's video, guys. Like always, I thank you guys for watching. I truly appreciate it. Please go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you haven't been subscribed, turn on your post notifications to get notified when I have another video coming up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.